start our planting today. I'm gonna plant kale, okra, Swiss chard, my favorite Swiss chard, parsley. I don't have mint, so I have this pepper and this pepper. So here, I got some pineapple to plant, about 4 of them, and I'm going to try planting some ginger with this ginger stuff. So this is the soil I'm going to use today. Some fertilizers. I don't know if this is the right one to actually put them. So I'm trying to put some water in the pan to make it moist. I got some of my plants here, so I'm already growing. Okay, this one so is a single. So I don't have a label yet, so I'm gonna drop the stuff in there. This one is my favorite Swiss chard, so it's gonna go right. Actually, I'm gonna put the Swiss chard right in this one right here. Hybrid okra. So if you this is here is pepper. Maybe I'll put the parsley first. And this one here. Have another pepper. Using this one. There's only a few seeds in it. Kale and this too. That's a lot of these things. I'm gonna try and do the monitoring the progress of this my garden, and I'll keep you updated here. Pray for me that it gets really and they come out right. I still have other things that I need to print. So yeah, so these are the things that are planting this one. So this is it right here. About 3 weeks ago or a month ago. So these ones are the pineapples. That's all I have for now, and I'll keep you posted with the progress of this my garden. I still have a lot of stuff to plant. Somebody suggested mint and something else, so I have to go get those. I still have some planting pots left to plant. But yeah, I'm excited about this. Let's see how it goes. Follow me on this my garden journey. Let's see how it will all come out. Especially these pineapples right here. I'm looking forward to harvesting them. And everything else that I have here. I have to plant, I need to plant some what is it? Green onions, the mint, and there was something else somebody suggested. So I have to go get those and plant them on the remaining flower pots. And then we'll see what survived and what doesn't survive. I'm really excited about the hybrid okra. I want to see how that will come out. But that's it for now, my lovelies. Follow me on this journey. Let's see how I'm actually planning on planting most of the stuff, most of the vegetables that I eat. So I'll just keep selecting the things that I know that I eat most of the time, and I will plant them and see. So I have to, I know I eat carrots, I have to plant carrots, and I have to plant some green peas, and yes, and the mint. No, I don't eat mint a lot. Somebody suggested mint, and the other thing that is suggested, I'll try them and we'll see how, see the ones that be successful. I'm hoping they will be successful. I know not all of them, but this is just a start. I will see how they go. Follow me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can follow me and know when I update progress on this my new journey. Alright, but my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Please subscribe. Always please like my videos. When you like the videos, YouTube will be able to suggest my videos to everybody, especially the first 1 hour that I post the video. Please like it and share it. The more you share it in that first hour, the more YouTube will be able, and like it, the more YouTube will be able to suggest it to other viewers. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Follow me, I'll keep you updated. Thank you, peace out.